the pyramids of Egypt, monuments of staggering scale. They have captivated humanity for millennia. How were they built? This question has haunted historians, archaeologists, and dreamers alike. These enigmatic structures, silent sentinels of a bygone era, whisper tales of ingenuity, artistry, and sheer human will. Their construction, a monumental feat of engineering, continues to baffle and inspire awe in equal measure. The sheer scale of the pyramids is humbling. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for instance, is a testament to the ambition and capability of its creators. Imagine ancient Egypt, a land teeming with life. The Nile River, a lifeline, nourished the fertile land. Along its banks, a civilization flourished, driven by innovation and a deep reverence for the cosmos. The construction of the pyramids, a monumental undertaking, was an integral part of their cultural fabric. The construction process was a marvel of organization and manpower. Thousands of skilled artisans, laborers, and overseers toiled under the scorching sun, their collective effort giving rise to these architectural wonders. The logistics were staggering, quarrying the massive stone blocks, transporting them over vast distances, and then lifting and placing them with astonishing precision. The primary building material, limestone, was quarried from sites across Egypt. These massive stones, some weighing as much as 80 tons, were then transported to the construction site, a feat requiring immense coordination and ingenuity. The Nile River, a natural highway, played a crucial role, its waters carrying the heavy stones closer to their final destination. The image of thousands of slaves toiling under the whip is a pervasive one. However, recent archaeological evidence challenges this notion. Discoveries of worker settlements near the pyramids, complete with bakeries, cemeteries, and even breweries, paint a different picture. These findings suggest a workforce treated with respect, provided for, and even compensated for their labor. The construction of the pyramids required a diverse range of skills. Skilled masons, carpenters, and engineers worked alongside unskilled laborers, each playing a crucial role in the grand scheme. Hieroglyphic inscriptions found in tombs and temples offer glimpses into their lives, revealing a complex social hierarchy and a sense of pride in their craft. The sheer scale of the pyramids has led some to speculate about the involvement of advanced technologies. While the use of extraterrestrial intervention is a fringe theory, the possibility of sophisticated tools and techniques unknown to modern science cannot be entirely dismissed. The precision with which the pyramids were built continues to fuel speculation and research. The methods employed to transport and lift the massive stone blocks have been the subject of much debate. The most widely accepted theory involves the use of earthen ramps built around the pyramid as it grew. These ramps, likely constructed of mud, brick, and wood, would have allowed workers to drag the stones upward using ropes, sledges, and sheer muscle power. Another theory proposes the use of a system of levers and rollers. By placing rollers under the stones and manipulating levers, the workers could have moved the massive blocks with relative ease. This method, while requiring less manpower, would have demanded a high level of technical skill and coordination. The placement of the stones, especially those at the higher levels, presented a significant challenge. It is believed that a combination of wooden scaffolding, ramps, and levers was employed to lift and position the stones with incredible accuracy. The precision with which the stones were fitted together, with barely a hair's breadth between them, is a testament to the skill and ingenuity of the ancient Egyptian builders. The pyramids are more than just piles of stone. They are precisely aligned with the cardinal points and exhibit a deep understanding of geometry and astronomy. The Great Pyramid, for example, is aligned almost perfectly north-south, a feat requiring sophisticated astronomical observations and calculations. The dimensions of the pyramids also reveal intriguing mathematical relationships. The ratio of the pyramid's base to its height approximates the mathematical constant pi, suggesting an advanced understanding of geometry. Such precision, achieved with the tools available at the time, is awe-inspiring. The interior chambers and passages of the pyramids further demonstrate this mastery of astronomy and mathematics. The so-called air shafts in the Great Pyramid, for instance, are aligned with specific stars, suggesting a deliberate connection to the heavens. These alignments, far from being coincidental, point to a deep understanding of the cosmos and its influence on earthly affairs. Despite centuries of study, the construction of the pyramids continues to spark debate and inspire new theories. Some researchers believe that internal ramps built within the pyramid itself were used to transport the stones. Others propose the use of water shafts or even a system of counterweights to lift the massive blocks. Archaeological discoveries continue to shed light on the lives of the pyramid builders and the techniques they employed. Recent excavations have uncovered evidence of sophisticated copper tools, suggesting a level of craftsmanship previously underestimated. The discovery of a papyrus scroll known as the Diary of Mira provides a first-hand account of the logistics involved in transporting stones from the quarries to the pyramid construction site. The debate surrounding the construction of the pyramids is far from over. New discoveries and interpretations continue to emerge, challenging long-held assumptions and adding to the mystique surrounding these ancient wonders. The quest to unravel the secrets of the pyramids is a testament to the enduring power of human curiosity and our fascination with the achievements of past civilizations. The pyramids have been the subject of numerous myths and misconceptions. One common myth is that they were built by slaves. As previously mentioned, evidence suggests a skilled and respected workforce, not a subjugated one. These workers were not only provided for, but also took pride in their craft, contributing to a project of national importance. Another persistent myth is that the pyramids were built using alien technology. While the precision and scale of the pyramids are remarkable, there is no credible evidence to support extraterrestrial involvement. The ingenuity and skill of the ancient Egyptians, combined with their understanding of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering, are more than sufficient to explain their construction. The pyramids were not constructed overnight. They were the result of decades of planning, organization, and labor. The construction of a single pyramid could take several decades, involving multiple pharaohs and generations of workers. The pyramids are a testament to the long-term vision and dedication of the ancient Egyptians. The pyramids of Egypt are more than just ancient monuments. They are enduring symbols of human ingenuity and architectural prowess. Their influence can be seen in architecture, art, and popular culture across the globe. From the ziggurats of Mesopotamia to the Mayan pyramids of Central America, the influence of Egyptian pyramid construction is undeniable. The pyramids continue to inspire wonder and curiosity, drawing millions of visitors each year. They serve as a reminder of the capabilities of the human spirit, our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges and leave an indelible mark on the world. Their presence in our collective consciousness is a testament to their enduring power and mystique. The study of the pyramids has also contributed significantly to our understanding of ancient Egyptian civilization. Through the decipherment of hieroglyphics, the analysis of artifacts, and the interpretation of architectural features, we have gained valuable insights into their beliefs, values, and technological advancements. Exploring the pyramids is akin to embarking on a journey through time. Each stone, each chamber, and each passage whispers tales of a civilization that flourished millennia ago. The quest to understand their construction is not merely an academic pursuit. It is a journey of discovery, a quest to unravel the secrets of a lost world. The pyramids stand as a testament to the power of human imagination and the allure of the unknown. They remind us that there are still mysteries to be solved, wonders to be uncovered, and stories to be told. The journey to unlock the secrets of the pyramids is a journey into the heart of human history and the boundless potential of the human spirit. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the pyramids, we gain a greater appreciation for the ingenuity and resilience of our ancestors. Their achievements serve as a source of inspiration, reminding us that we too are capable of great things. The pyramids stand as a challenge to our own ingenuity, urging us to push the boundaries of knowledge and explore the unknown with the same spirit of adventure and discovery that characterized the ancient Egyptians. In the heart of the desert, bathed in the golden glow of the setting sun, the pyramids stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. They are more than just tombs or monuments. They are testaments to the enduring power of the human spirit, our capacity for innovation, and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. The construction of the pyramids, a feat that continues to baffle and inspire, serves as a reminder of the boundless potential that resides within us. Their enduring presence in our collective consciousness is a testament to their power, their mystique, and their ability to transcend time and culture. The pyramids of Egypt are more than just ancient structures. They are enduring symbols of human achievement, a testament to our ability to dream big, to strive for greatness, and to leave an indelible mark on the world. Their secrets, slowly being revealed through the tireless efforts of archaeologists, historians, and scientists, continue to captivate our imaginations, reminding us that the past is not lost, but rather waiting to be rediscovered. The pyramids stand as a challenge to future generations, urging us to unlock the secrets of the past and to continue the journey of exploration and discovery.